2017 Ford Transit Custom Trend model. It's a top spec with all the extras: cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, security locks, reversing camera. This one comes with a full Ford wet belt kit just being fitted and a major service. Will also come with a fresh 12 months MOT with all the advisories done. The bodywork on this one particular is a little bit rough, a few little scratches, dents, but still a very presentable van for work. There's a dent here and on the rear door. Into the interior, it's pretty clean plywood. Comes with rear LED lights and the driver's side, a few little scuffs. Into the front is nice and clean. As I said before, it's a top spec model. Comes with cruise control, voice activated controls, automatic headlights, heated windscreen, front and rear parking sensors, aircon. This one in particular will come with 3 months warranty as standard and can be delivered nationwide next day delivery.